Okay, today we're going to talk about blocking and cribbing. So let's start with some terminology. What is the difference between blocking and cribbing? Well, blocking refers to the practice of securing a machine or part of a machine while it is being worked on to prevent accidental or unwanted movement or release of stored energy. Cribbing refers to the technique of stacking a group of uniform wood blocks to create a temporary yet sturdy structure between the load and the ground, capable of supporting that load. So here's what cribbing looks like. The picture on the left. You want to generally use wood that is in good condition, harder wood. You don't want to use soft pine 2x4s. You want to use thick 4x4s, 6x6, 8x8s. And the picture on the right is not cribbing. You do not want to put a piece of wood standing up on end to support a load. It can crack and break. Never do that. Now let's talk about blocking. Here is an example of blocking a hydraulic cylinder on a wheel loader. So anytime you have the potential for releasing stored energy, electric energy, hydraulic energy, something under any kind of pressure, spring energy, etc., you want to block it with some sort of device that's strong enough so if the hydraulics fail, they're not going to move while you're under the machine working on it. Be sure to work on a flat, level, solid surface, and if the vehicle you're working on has wheels, make sure you chalk the wheels. And if you're using a hydraulic bottle jack like this, or any other type of hydraulic jack or a screw jack, do not depend on that jack alone, because if it fails, that vehicle or piece of equipment can fall on you. Once you jack it up, you want to go ahead and slide a jack stand underneath, stationary jack stand, or use your wood cribbing to support the load. Don't depend on the hydraulic jack alone. Please consider subscribing. It helps the YouTube channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more people. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.